Guys, I may have just found the holy grail cure for ED and PE. If you guys have been following the channel for a little bit, you know that I review different types of things that can help you in the bedroom. And today I'm going to be reviewing this brand called Friday Plans. So what I really liked about Friday Plans is they send you basically the thing that helps you in the bedroom, which is generic sildenafil. You can also get the tadalafil version if you want, which is Cialis, but the generic sildenafil is like the form of Viagra, and that's like the form that I got. But I like it because they send it to you in discreet packaging. So like if you live with like family or even like roommates and you don't want them to know, you don't have to worry about it. It actually came in this little white package right here. I'm gonna show you my address, but yeah, super discreet and it doesn't say anything about like what it is. In today's video, I'll give you guys 2 points of what Friday Plans helps you with, things that it's personally helped me with. And yeah, maybe if you guys are having some difficulties in the bedroom or you just wanna increase your performance, then this would be for you. So the first thing that Friday Plans helps with, and it's really cool packaging, guys. I feel like I like the little like neon, I think it's called iridescent design they have going on. But the first thing that Friday Plans can help you with is actually with ED. So sometimes in the bedroom, guys, we as men, we just get nervous sometimes. You don't even have to really have any issues down there, but just, you know, if you're with a new girl, this or that, you can just get nervous. Sometimes it's hard to get it up. So a lot of young men in general, just struggle with ED, erectile dysfunction. And a lot of it is just like us in our brains, being in our heads, tricking ourselves out. But the cool thing is with the Friday Plans, with the generic form of Viagra, the sildenafil, that it helps you get it up instantly. I'm talking about just on command. Like as soon as you think about something, as soon as you think about even just like being aroused, so if you're like with a young lady or whatever, immediately you get it up, no problem. And the second pro of using Friday Plans that I found too is that it actually helps with PE, which is premature ejaculation. So I live in a content house here in LA, and even some of my roommates, some of the homies here, like we're just super open and honest with each other. And we talk about it, and sometimes it's like, man, sometimes it's hard to last a long time in the bedroom. A lot of the guys here have girlfriends, and yeah, it's like sometimes it can be like a hard time to last. Like you get in there, whatever, it feels good, and you'll finish in like she'll finish quick sometimes. Some guys finish in less than a minute. Just keep it a buck. So the cool thing about Friday Plans is that with using it, for me personally, I feel like I could last as long as I wanted. And unlike even just regular Viagra, sometimes guys will pop like, you know, little blue pills. And I've heard in the past that like, even if you just take like a regular Viagra, if you're like, I don't know, trying to impress a new girl that you're with, it can be really hard to actually bust at the end because you're just like, basically you can't bust because it's just like too much blood flow down there. And it's actually uncomfortable because you can't like finish basically. But with Friday Plans, I liked with the version that I got, the 25 milligram sildenafil version. I like that I still could bust like on command. Like it didn't feel like, okay, well I couldn't bust and I couldn't finish, which would feel very uncomfortable. Overall, I like the feeling of being fully controlled for the first time in my life. Now, you guys are probably wondering, how do you sign up for something like this? How do you sign up for Friday Plans? Well, it's actually super easy. I'm gonna take you into my computer over here and show you what the sign up process is like. It's literally super quick, less than 2 minutes to sign up. All right guys, so you should see my screen right now. Pardon me, I'm gonna be looking to the side right here just because I'm showing you. But yeah, you see Friday Plans, it's ED treatment, reimagined. So yeah, all you have to do is go down here to this little green button that says see if you qualify, and you click this. It's a super quick questionnaire. It literally took me, I think, less than a minute, but it just asks you a couple questions. What benefits do you want to get? So say if you want to maintain erections for longer, you just click that. What treatment would you prefer? It's cool because they have both Viagra and Cialis, but I just chose the Viagra. And also what's really dope about it, guys, is that all of them are the same price. No matter what dosage that you get, whether you get the strongest one or the weakest one, no matter what dosage that you get, they're all gonna be the same price. So how many times per month do you want to use it? I just clicked 9 times per month. What dosage do you want it to be? And again, they're all gonna be the same price. I just chose mild because you probably wanna start off low and then work your way up. So yeah, then it's gonna take you to this page, checking eligibility. So basically a doctor is just gonna review your answers, and if appropriate, they'll write you a prescription. So look, even for me, super quick, fantastic news, you're eligible, and they're even applying a discount to it. So yeah, it's literally 87 cents per pill, no matter how much dosage you get. So for something like this, it would normally be like, I don't know, like for 9, it's literally less than 10 bucks. Yeah, down here, they show you your order summary with the free doctor visit, free shipping, and $10 off. It literally is gonna be $8, $7.91 for it. So then you click continue to questions, just answer all of these, gender, you do your birth date. So I'm just gonna put like a random date here, but you know, do your actual birth date. They're gonna ask you about your medical history. So can you maintain erection? Fairly confident. Sexual, how often are you able to keep erections? Sometimes. Starting sex, how often are you able to keep your erection? Whatever it is for you, just answer truthfully and it'll let you know that if you're approved or not. So in the sex, just to say, I don't know, somewhat challenging. Yeah, I'm just answering some random questions right now, but how satisfied, fairly satisfied. Do you get erections? Yes. You ever use medications? No. Do you feel any of these things? None of these apply to me. None of these apply to me. None of these apply to me. You take any supplements? No. You have any allergies? No. No, I don't smoke cigarettes regularly. Do you drink alcohol? No. I just quit the drugs. Do you do any of this stuff? No. Have you ever been told that you have high blood pressure? I've never been told any of those things. Do you have a primary care provider, doctor? No. Is there anything else you'd like to tell a doctor? These are all just steps that you're going through, guys. And then at the very end, you have to hit the consent button, hit okay, continue, and they're gonna confirm basically if you're approved. So yeah, literally that's it. You get to the page where basically you just would have to pay, and that's how you sign up. Also guys, I'll show you real quick. It's something called the members area. Basically, as you can see over here, it tells you like your treatment plan here at the top. You can edit your plan if you want. It's always easy for you to pause your subscription. In case like you have like some left over, you don't want it to hit your account like every month. You can skip your next package. So yeah, it's just really easy with a couple clicks. It's so easy for you to manage your subscription and you don't have to worry about like, okay, is it hard to cancel this, whatever. No, it's super easy. Along with this, there's also a 60-day money back guarantee, which made me feel very comfortable with buying it because say if you get it and you don't like it or if it doesn't work, which it will work for you more than likely, but if it doesn't work, then you still do have that 60-day money back guarantee, or if you just don't like it. These are really the two main reasons why I like Friday plans. I do have a special code for you guys. Click the link below and use my code ALTONC to get $10 off your first order plus free shipping. Comment down below if you guys have used Friday plans before or if you're thinking you're gonna use it. It's really dope. I like the brand a lot. So yeah, check it out. If you guys like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss when I post videos like this every single day. I love you guys, and I'll speak with you tomorrow. See you very soon.